Hi, I'm smart shopping expert Trey Bodge, and welcome to New Loves, where I take a little time out to share with you a product that I really enjoy. I'm working on an overnight beauty story, which focuses on products that are formulated to work while you sleep. And one of my favorites is the Ren Wake Wonderful Nighttime Facial. And this is the product, so you can see it. And if you're not familiar with Ren, you can find them at Dermstore, Sephora, renskincare.com. Definitely a brand worth checking out. And this facial product is really cool because it can be used in a couple of different ways. You cleanse the skin at night, then you can put this on and go to sleep. It dries very quickly, so it doesn't leave any residue on your pillowcase. You can also cleanse, put on your serum, then this product, then your face cream, and that's if you want a little extra hydration. So there are a number of things that I really like about this product. It uses mineral-based bioactive ingredients like cranberry extract, lactic acid, glycolic acid. You definitely feel it working when you put it on. So you put it on and you feel a nice tingling sensation, so you know it's doing something. It dries so quickly, like I said, no residue on the pillowcase. When you wake up in the morning, the rinse is super easy. You just splash a couple times and it's literally rinsed off, no rubbing, no scrubbing. And best of all, your skin looks amazing after you've used it. So it's a nice nighttime little facial product, like a mini facial. You can use it 2 to 3 times a week. I would definitely recommend that you check it out. So it's the Ren Wake Wonderful Nighttime Facial, a really cool product to check out. And if you'd like more reviews like this, I hope you visit us again very, very soon. And of course, like and share if you feel like it. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.